Morning traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So just starting off on the hour, you can see we have got a close below this double top. Okay, let's look at the double top on the 3 hour. We do have a close on it. We've got a daily close, we've got a 3 hour close below that. Trend is very much to the downside. On the daily at the moment, you look at the moving averages, and we've kind of got a crossover here of our stochastics. So a lot of signals here indicating we should be looking for a short, and I think that's kind of the trade that I'm looking at right now. So you can see here is the breakout, and that's on the 3 hour. You can see we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 6 3 hour bars below that level. Sorry, not 6, 5. So we had a close here, and we had a bit of rally, then we had another close here. Close, but these two bars are still below there as well. So that is a fairly significant level that we've closed below. Bulls are going to try and reclaim that level right now. But I think for now, this trend is definitely to the downside, and that is what we should be looking for. So technically, we are looking for, that's the measured move, but I would be looking for one of these fractals here. There are so many of them to be tagged. Okay, so I wouldn't really be playing the measured move to the downside, but definitely would be looking at one of these levels here. Okay, so that's kind of the view that we've got at the moment. And if we look at the hour, trend is down right now, but we're currently busy with a bit of indecision. And if you look to the left there, we've got quite a bit of indecision at the moment. So, this thing could really break the trend to the upside, come back and test, and then rally to the upside. That's also a possibility right now. But I think for me right now, this does look like the trend is pretty strong. I mean, yesterday we had all this indecision here, which looked like a reversal. You see all these tails off this level, and we rallied a bit, and then it just gained momentum and drove through the level down to the bottom here. And if you look at the stochastics on the hour at the moment, that's exactly what is transpiring. So yesterday we're looking at the lower time frames, which is the right thing to do. But it was rather messy. So there was lots of topsy-turviness here on the 12 minute, and on the 5 or 6 minute, it was pretty much worse. Okay, so you can see there it is there. Extremely messy, extremely difficult to actually trade it and get momentum going. So one of those days, not really something to worry about. There was 1 or 2 decent trades available, but and it's looking like it's another messy day at the moment that's transpiring. But anyway, I think for me today, with this close below this major level here, I think I'd be looking at shorts right now. Right now it's rather messy, and the trend is up currently, but I think it depends whether we test this level again, or whether we break through it and then come back and hold it. And that's the bottom line at the moment. So for me at the moment, what we're looking for is we're looking for shorts, not right now, but we'll wait for the European Open and then jump in based on price action. Futures market at the moment is up 1%. Yesterday we were down 4%, 1.5% up. Yesterday we were down 4.5% up in some of the markets. So I think we are a very difficult call. Anyway, let's not think about it, but trade the trend. If you look at the 5 minute at the moment, the trend is slightly to the upside. You look at the higher time frames, trend to the downside. So I think I'd go with the higher trends and look for selling opportunities. But you probably want to look for them slightly higher up. Look for gaps as well. There's a gap there on the 5 minutes. And yeah, I think that's pretty much my take on this at the moment. And hope it helps. And we will catch you later. Cheers for now.